A picture from 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021 Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this tutorial I will show you how to do this trend too. So let's get going. First of all, I will go out of this page. And then you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And then search for my account or this first account, which is the original one. But if you go to my account, it will be much easier for you to find that sticker. So go to Ali and John YTT, and from here you have to click at story trends at highlights. And if you go to my story, that will expire in a few hours, so it's better for you to go to highlights at story trends. So click on that, and from here you just have to click until you find the desired sticker. So it's the last one. This is it right here, and from here you just have to click on the add yours button. And then from here you have to go to uploads and choose 4 photos, one from 2018, one for 2019, one from 2020, and a picture from 2021. So I will go to my uploads and I will choose some random photos because it's a little bit hard for me to go in 2018. I already did this for the thumbnail. So let's say that you choose a photo. I will go with this one, it doesn't really matter, and I will make it smaller. So from here you just have to use your 2 fingers to place the photo in the left top corner, and if you want to add another photo from 2019, you just have to click on the sticker. And then from here you have to scroll down until you find this plus icon next to the camera below the countdown. So click on the plus icon, and from here, as you can see, you are on your gallery once again. Choose your photo. I will go with this one. As I said, it doesn't really matter. This is just an example for you guys. And then once again, you have to click to the sticker, click on the plus, and add another photo. So once you are happy with your story, you just have to click on send to, then click share to your story, and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.